Ma'am, I'm sorry to inform you, but your card isn't working. It's not going through.
What? That's strange. My card should be fine. Could you please try it again? Maybe there was a mistake.
Of course, I will give it another try. I'm afraid the card is still not working, ma'am. I have tried it twice now.
Oh no, this is really embarrassing. I don't have any cash with me right now. What am I supposed to do?
Is there any other way you can pay?
I'm really sorry, but I don't have another card with me. If you let me go home, I promise I will come right back and pay the bill. I live nearby.
I'm really sorry, but I can't allow you to leave without paying. Excuse me, I would like to pay her bill. Please let her go.
Thank you so much. I can't believe how kind you are. Please, could you give me your address so I can repay you as soon as I get home?
It's really no problem at all. You don't need to worry about paying me back. I'm just glad to help.
No, I insist. You have been so generous. And I don't want to take advantage of your kindness. Please, let me repay you.
Honestly, it's really okay. I was happy to help you out in this situation.
You truly have a big heart. Thank you again, from the bottom of my heart. I am so grateful.
Oh, you are still here? I thought you would be your home now.
Yes, I am just waiting for a taxi. I hope it should be here soon.
If you don't mind, I would be happy to give you a ride.
Oh no, you have already helped me so much tonight. Don't worry, I am sure the taxi will be here soon.
Really? It's no problem. I'm requesting you. It's late, and I will feel better knowing you got home safely.
If you don't have any problem, then I guess I can say yes.
Great! My car is just around the corner.
Thanks for giving me ride.
Oh, no, don't mention it. By the way, I don't even know your name. What should I call you?
My name is Maria. And yours?
Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm Max.
Well, see you around, Max. And thanks for everything.
Oh, no need to thank. It's absolutely okay. And it was really nice to meet you. See you around too, Maria. Have a good sleep. Bye.